Hey guys, welcome to Wagwan App. And yeah, I've got a Fire Stick. I know it's been out for ages, but it's been sitting on my desk for about 7 months. I don't know how long actually. So I thought I'll quick do an unboxing video, and maybe later when I get a chance, I'll do a quick review for the people that don't have one yet or are thinking of buying one. There's another Fire Stick. I think it's the Fire Stick HD as well out. And this one you can see it's a HDMI dongle with a little controller, a little remote control. So I'm gonna unbox it and let's see what I go on in with it. Okay, let's get it out this little piece of paper. Amazon Fire TV stick with Alexa voice remote control. Not thought I've tried that before. It's probably gonna have a lot of updates since it's been sitting on my desk for so long, right? Watch Amazon, Netflix, and blah blah blah, loads more stuff. Enjoy an incredible selection of TV shows, movies, sports, blah blah blah. Amazon Video, iPlayer, so that's cool. Netflix as well, which is pretty sick. Say it and watch it with voice search, so you can use the remote, talk to it as you would with an Alexa, Echo Dot, for example. Say goodbye to buffering with a quad core processor. Right now, so just so you know, I've got a Google Chromecast. I've got one of the original Google Chromecasts. We're pretty old now, quite a few years old, and it does slow down and it does freeze up and it actually does crash out. So I'm hoping that this is a little bit more stable. And obviously, it's got the latest updates as well on Chromecast, but I'm hoping this is a bit more stable than that. Effortless to set up and perfectly portable, so you can take it wherever you want and you're good to go. So let me just fire this bad. Let me just start unboxing it. You can see it's still sealed. Okay, and I think I got this for like, I don't know, 20 quid or something cheap. It wasn't a lot. It was on a Amazon Black Friday, and it was on an Amazon Black Friday or deal or something like that. Amazon Prime deal. I can't remember, to be honest. So if we open this up, okay, we'll do that so you can see it's quite a bit. There's a little book that comes with it. Let's have a look. Just basic voice remote instructions, as you can see. What's in the box: power adapter, HDMI extender cable, a USB power cable, the micro USB power on the HDMI thingy-majig, and some batteries for the remote. And it just gives you instructions on how to connect it up, which is pretty straightforward for most of us techies. For you non-techies, you need to read this, run through the instructions. It should be straightforward. You need to connect it up to your Wi-Fi, blah blah blah, and you should be in business. If you have any troubles with the remote and pairing, there's some instructions there too, nice and quick. There's another little book. What does this say? Alexa voice remote, blah blah blah. I don't know what that says, just the same as this, I think. Okay, what else? What kind of cables it said? So it says you get a USB for power, so that's for power with a mini USB, right? Or a micro, I should say. And you've got the HDMI extender cable, right? Because some TVs have an awkward to reach port, so you can plug this in and then just connect in the main dongle. Some batteries in there by the looks of it, right? 1.5 volt, two of them for the remote. Let's see what's in here. So there's a power plug, but I'm going to try and run it off the USB. Hopefully that should be enough to power it. I'm not sure actually. And here's the main dongle, so let's open this up. Like having a peeling a Mars bar. There you go. So it's quite big, to be honest. Quite a big dongle compared to the Chromecast. Chromecast really that big, maybe the same width. Let's see. I think the remote works via Wi-Fi because I don't see no infrared, which is kind of old school. Maybe it's Bluetooth. So we check the remote. I'll probably be running it through my phone rather than the remote directly. And that's it really. Pretty straightforward. Probably takes the batteries somewhere. There's a... Looks like the whole back cover comes off. You can see a little arrow in there saying push it up this way. There you go. Batteries. Pretty straightforward. Standard remote for most things, right? It's not anything fancy. So all the pieces are here, and that's what's in the box. Nothing complicated, nothing too confusing. Should be straightforward. I'll fire it up, and hopefully at some point I'll get a chance to give you a video and let you know how it went. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Make sure you sub the channel, like the videos, and thanks for showing your support. Peace out.